There we go. I'm back on the job. Got a couple of cars. Stickered to tow. It's got a July tag, but this right here is the problem. Flat tire on it. This one's got a July 19. They got a couple skulls in there in the back. The back window skull on the back. That was stickered too. That's my wheel lifter right there. I'm gonna go ahead and get these loaded up, man, before somebody wakes up and comes running out here. Got those two loaded up. Not exactly sure what all these Halloween skulls are doing on the car. Maybe it's a Halloween car. I don't know what it, all them people put all that junk on their cars, skulls, and they put all kinds of stickers on there. I guess that's to keep people from messing with the car, or I don't know. Don't matter what kind of affiliations you got, you're gonna get yanked. That's the way it works. Anyway, I'm gonna sign these out and get them to the yard. Hey there, we got a little Blazer right here. Somebody it's been stickered 3 times. They put 3 stickers on this car. And I just talked to the maintenance guy. He pointed it out. He said, "Get this Blazer out of here." He said they just keep pulling stickers off. They're not complying. It's got a 2019 tag, and we got to get it. So we're gonna go ahead and load it up and see what happens. Somebody definitely is here because they pulled the sticker off. Anyway, we'll see if they come out. It's got a 2018. What's going on, man?
That's my mother. She talked to the people in the front. We're getting a truck fixed around next week.
Okay, I'll have to call up there. The maintenance guy just told me to load it just now. The maintenance guy.
He said the maintenance guy told him to just load it.
The maintenance guy just now. Well, they just told me to load it. I mean, I'm not understanding about the contact. I got to go by the office anyway. But I'm not going to drive it all the way up there if they really did tell you that and didn't relay it. But I can tell you this: it's got a 2018. It's been stickered three times.
I know what sticker it has on that.
Yeah, they,
I know, but it comes to the it gets to the point where they sticker them and they keep sticking them, and if it don't get fixed, they tow them. That's what they do. They get to the point that they tow them. Yeah.
I know. That's why I've told them every month not to get it done because my mechanic was sick. And he's getting it this weekend. They know that it's a 2018 sticker on it because the fuel pump is out. So do you want to sit there and let me call them instead of you driving to the front and have to bring it back?
Well, hey, I'm gonna call them. I'm gonna call them myself. I'll call
them yourself and I'll call them also.
Okay. Like I said, if it's been multiple months, and that's up to them. I'm not gonna. This thing been sticker sitting here for months, man. Yes, ma'am. I've got. I'm back here. I guess it's the 1600 building, and the maintenance guy. Me and him. He came over here to this building and told me to load up the Trailblazer. The 2018 tag has been stickered 3 months. Anyway, the lady here at the building told me that she's already talked to y'all and it wasn't supposed to get towed 3 or 4 months, and it's been sitting here for. Either way, let me know. But hey, listen, if she hadn't already contacted y'all, and she contacted y'all last month, then it's not a valid drop. So she called back in August then. We've got a little bit of a discrepancy over here on this impound. The maintenance guy told me to load it. This lady's got multiple extensions over the past couple of months, and she told me she's talked to the manager. I just called up there. Yeah, they talked to her back in August, but she talked to us this last time, and the maintenance guy told me to load it, but they may. I don't know if they'll ask me to drop it. That's going to be something you got to determine. Yeah, I'll drop it if they do. I can drop it. That's why I was just checking with you before I do that. And I was pretty firm. I told her, look, if she hadn't already called, it's not valid to ask me to drop when she really didn't. If she really didn't call and it wasn't notated on their end, she told me it wasn't, not since August. Hello. Yes. Okay, and see that, yeah, that, and that's the thing. Once we load them, I mean, if you're requesting for me to drop it, I can. I mean, it's on the truck and it's a valid tow on my end. If y'all are asking me to drop it, I can do that for you. I'm not doing it for her because she didn't call ahead of time, but I will drop them. So if that's what you're doing, if you're asking me to drop, I can do that. We do that because we want you to be happy with our service. But hey, in the future going forward, when we hook these cars, yeah, they can't call. Like, she didn't call up here. She pulled her sticker off and did not call. She called last month. In the future, when they do that, we always collect a drop fee on them. When we do that, yeah. But that's fine. Hey, that's fine. Yep. Yeah, and hey, my boss, that's what my boss just told me to do. If you needed me to drop it, for me to drop it, that's what he told me to do. So it came from my boss. Okay, you got it. Yep, thank you.
Yes.
Hey there. Hey there, how you doing? How you doing? I just talked to the office. The office, they said you didn't call. You called last, in August you called. You didn't call this past time.
And I just got the phone with her just now.
I know, but you told me you called. Either way, listen, hey, in the event the car gets hooked, I mean, she's asked me to drop it, so we're going to do that. We take care of the property. We take care of them, and we do it professionally, and they want us to drop the car, I'm going to do that. But she did, like I said, hey, they will tow it. I'm telling you, next time, if you ever get a sticker, don't, you have to call before the tow guy shows up. But please call.
I do.
I know.
That's what I'm saying.
I know, but you didn't. But this particular time, You didn't call before it was stickered. That's why the maintenance guy told me to load the car.
Yes, I did. I called. Yes, I did call before the sticker. I call every time they
You called in August. She told me you called. She called in August. It's fine. Hey, thank you. I'm gonna back it up. You got a key to it?
Yes, in
Yeah, if you get a key, it'll make it easier.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Anyway, I'm gonna break that down real quick for you. What happened on this one? This particular vehicle owner has been getting extensions every month, and have the office take them off the list and not tow their car for month after month. Well, if you give somebody leeway, what they're gonna eventually do is assume, and that's what she did. She got stickered this past time, and she assumed the office was going to give her another extension and didn't call. Well, you wind up being entitled to the point you think you can keep your car on property. It's a 2018 tag, and she's been dragging the management over here on that car. And the management asked us to drop. My boss told me if they asked to drop the car. They're a good account. This is more of a service than a racket. We service these properties and keep the property managers happy by towing the cars that they want towed, and we don't tow the cars that they don't want towed. That's how this works. And a lot of people, I know, yeah, she deserved to get towed, yeah, for sure. I had to load the car and deal with all the drama with it. We should have got paid on that tow, but in the long run, like I said, in the long run, this is a business we do on a professional level. We're not on the same level as these other tow companies are. We're on the next level, and that's why we got so many cars at our lot over there, because we do this like a service. It's not a racket, and it's done professional. These big property groups, they like us because we work with them, and that's how you do it. That's how you do it. If you want to be in business, you can upset the property managers, and you won't tow any more cars off their property. If you keep the managers happy, you can come back and tow year after year after year. Okay, a lot of people have a lot of tow companies and managers, and tow truck drivers have a real hard time understanding that, and they lose accounts. And there's been a bunch of people lose accounts in Atlanta, and guess who's got them now? Anyway, that's just how McCullough Towing does business. Well, we keep our property managers happy, but we do discourage them from dropping the cars, because a lot of managers won't do that. Some managers do, some don't. But anyway, I got another car. Fixing to load this off. Fixing to load this other one up right here. Damn cobwebs, man. This thing is decrepit. That's the way it goes. I drop one, we drop one, grab another one. We don't lose any money doing this. People think, oh, you lost a car, you lost money, you should have got paid. Let me tell you something, we don't lose any money doing this work right here. I promise you, we don't lose any money. We'll be back over here again, I guarantee that. That's just the way it goes. It's just what we do, and we take care of property managers. Anyway, peace.